Hello and welcome to another Edge Signal Platform quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Dockerized application. Navigate to the sidebar in the Administration section where you'll find Applications. Click on the New Application button to open this dialog. Here you can create either a Dockerized application or a native application. We will create a Dockerized application, which is used when your application is running in a Docker environment. Enter the application name. Enter an optional meaningful application description. Enter optional default Docker settings. Note, if you don't enter default Docker settings when creating an application, you will be asked for these settings each time you push a release for this application. If you would like to enter default Docker settings for this application later, you can do so in the Application Details page. If you wish to use a private Docker repository, you must provide the registry address, registry username, and password. Click the Create button. Once you've created your application, you will be taken automatically to the Application Details page. Note, you can edit the application description here and update the Docker settings. To create a release for your application, click on the Releases menu to be brought to the Releases section. Click the Create Release button. If you previously set up default Docker settings, these fields will already be populated for you, but you can also change these settings here. Next, input a release version. Note, the release version should be in a numbers decimals format, for example 1.1.1, and each release must have a unique version tag. Choose a repository address, image tag, and Docker run flags if no defaults have already been configured. Note, warning for Dockerized applications. This tutorial uses a Docker image built for ARM processors. If you have a device with an x86 processor, please find a proper image from this link, which is also in the video description. Should you choose a private repository, put the switch to the on position and enter the registry username, registry password, and registry address. Click the Create button. The release has now been added to your application. To see the release details, click the Info icon under the Actions heading. If you wish to configure your application remotely without redeploying, you can create application settings here. Note, to use this application settings feature, you need to integrate the Edge Signal SDK into your application. Please refer to the Edge Signal SDK documentation found here. This link will also be in the video description. To reconfigure the application settings, click on the pencil icon under the Actions heading to open the dialog. To delete your application settings, click the Delete icon under the Actions heading. Finally, if you wish to delete this application, you must first remove all the corresponding releases. The Delete Application button under the Application Management section will then become active and ready for you to use. Note, both Dockerized and native applications are deployed in the same way, as shown in the Create a Deployment Quick Start video and step-by-step guide. For more Edge Signal Platform quick tutorials, please visit edgesignal.io. Thanks for watching.